Microwave heating operates by dielectric heating, a process rooted in physical chemistry. Microwaves, typically 2.45 gigahertz, interact with polar molecules, primarily water, causing them to oscillate as they attempt to align with the alternating electromagnetic field. This rapid molecular rotation generates friction and intermolecular collisions, converting electromagnetic energy into thermal energy. The process involves dipole reorientation and energy absorption. The heat generated raises the internal energy of the system, increasing temperature according to the first law of thermodynamics, delta U equals Q plus W, where heat Q is the dominant contributor in microwave heating.